Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change phone ringtone on Realme C67 device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, please scroll down. And then here you can select this option, sound and vibration. Well, and then here please scroll down. After that, please select phone ringtone. Okay, and then here you can select one of them. And then click OK. Okay, and then the phone ringtone on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change phone ringtone on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.